Welcome to Renegade Financial. 2 years ago, I was burned out, exhausted. I had a super successful brick and mortar business, but I was exhausted. And so I started taking courses online from different people. And this channel is basically a collection of information from my mentors to expose you to some different things and different tools so you can find the solution that works best for you. So not only will you getting insights from my journey, but you'll be getting insights from all sorts of other mentors that I've had on how to make money online. And that way you can pick the best choice for you. And so please like and subscribe, hit the bell. I'll be adding videos pretty much daily, especially now that the government shut down my business. The cool thing is I downsized, got rid of my big house, bought some land out here. It's starting to rain. And now I make enough money from online that I don't even really have to worry. So super stress-free, get to walk the dogs every day, work about an hour and a half a day, and all my needs are met. So please like, subscribe, and hit the bell. I look forward to getting to know you.